Happy December 23rd. Hi, Sage. There's Jack. Let's see, where is the 23rd? It's these holly leaves. Oh, you want to do this for me? You got it? Okay, I'll get it for you. And today is, not for sure what this is. The guide is somewhere. It's like peanut butter. I like it. Oh, the 22nd was yesterday. Sage, you need to open the 23rd. This one. Open that one. That was very peanut buttery. Who's this? Oh, this is still Jack and Honey and Nutmeg. Everyone's coming out of the woodwork. All right, for the chocolate house, it's this one right here. Honey, you want to get this one for me? This one right here? Sage is like, I'll help. Let's see, I think it's that side. Oh my God. It's another one of those footballs again. It's like at the end, they're like, you know what? We ran out of wrapping. We're just gonna give you these stupid ones that either footballs or, oh my God, it won't come out. Terrible. I don't care. I don't even like those. All right, forget it. Let's do, Jack, let's do this one. And they pushed it in, so give me a second. All right, I got it out. You can smack it around. Just don't eat it. Just smack it around when I go get your cat advent calendar. They're all waiting for the advent calendar. I don't know why Felix is. He still hasn't figured out how to eat a treat. But you know what my husband did? He cut off a couple pieces of salami. I'm gonna go grab them to give Felix a piece of salami while everyone else eats the treats. Because Felix will eat salami. All right, here we go. Let's get backstage. This one. You need to open this. Yep, this one right here. Go ahead, open that one right here. No? Let's see. What did I do with my little tool? There we go. Yeah, right there. Maybe. I do not know why I find these so hard. All right, what do we got? Oh, that's what we had yesterday. Is that not what we had yesterday? All right. Now I've got Sage and Danny and Jack and Honey. Okay, you guys get back so I can, oh my God. You gotta let me open it. You gotta get back so I can open it. One for you, Honey. Sage, right there. Right there. One for you, right there, Sage. Let's see, Jack right there. Jack right there. Danny, you're right there. You got it. Jack, that's yours. Nope. Jack right there. All right, Sage, you can have one more. Honey, you can have one. There's yours. Jack, you missed it. Jack, look at me. Come on, you're smarter than this. Eat that. Jack, that one right there. Let Jack eat his treat. No, Sage, you just tried to steal Jack's treat. No. Sally, there you go. Now where, I have this piece of salami. Where is Felix? Honey, you can have another one. Now where is, I gotta find Nutmeg too. Nutmeg and Felix. Where are you? Felix, quit running away. Dad said you would eat salami. I know there's birds. I know you want to bird watch. What's out there? What do you see? What is it? It is a bird. Do you want this? There you go. It's salami. Dad says you like it. Oops, sorry, that was my shoes. Do you like it? Oh, you're eating it. No, you're not. You better hurry up, these kittens. Look at this. These kittens are trying to horn in. Oh, man. I'm trying to push these. Okay, Felix, you gotta eat quicker than that around these little beasts. Are you getting it? Please tell me you ate it. There you go, Honey. I saved this. I'm sorry, Nutmeg. That's Nutmeg's. I saved that one for Nutmeg. And it looks like you ate it. Yay! Nutmeg, get that one. Because these kittens are quick. You see that little bird right there? That's what he's watching. He's a bird watcher. Oh, how cute. That's it, you guys. You can jump down off my table now because I'm doing, Honey, you can get down. I'm doing my tree and you don't care about my tree because it's not edible, but this is my favorite. So, Honey, you want to open it with me? Just don't try to chew it. She's a good girl. She doesn't chew on anything. All right, so here we go. Pop-up tree. Today is, where's my little handy tool? Right there, underneath you. 23. Right, is it that side or this side? Oh, thank you. She's like, fine, right there. Can you open this one? Oh, you're such a good girl. Oh, let me sort it. Here we go. Today, ooh, it's the scary Christmas wreath. I actually have like a bigger wreath like this on my, they have it upside down. Well, that was wrong of them. I think it's supposed to go like this. His eyes are like that.